this integration is equals to a into fx plus b into gx plus c, where c is constant of integrations. We need to find a plus 2b. Now here we have in denominator we have x square plus 2. What is this differentiation? Check dy dx of x square plus x plus 2 equals to what? Twice x plus 1. Now we have already x over here. Okay, now let's do one thing. Let's divide numerator and denominator by 2. This is same as 1 by 2. I need twice x upon square root of x square plus x plus 2. So these two and these two gets cancelled. So I need twice x plus 1. So plus 1 minus 1 dx. Therefore, let's separate this upon this and this upon this is equals to half integral twice x plus 1 upon square root of x square plus x plus 2 dx, and then minus integral 1 upon square root of x square plus x plus 2 dx. Now for this part let's substitute u equals to what? This x square plus x plus 2. Therefore my du equals to what? Twice x plus 1 into dx. Therefore hold this numerator I am getting as a du. So this part, okay, for is equals to half integral is become what? Du. Hold this become du upon minus. Now we have this integral of 1 upon square root of a square plus x square dx is equals to log of x plus square root of x square plus a square plus c. Now we need to use this over here. Okay, so let's see. Let's consider this x square plus. Let's consider x square plus x plus 2 is equals to, let's make perfect square. This same as x square plus twice I need. Okay, so we x 1 by 2 because 2 gets cancel x here. I need 1 by 2 the whole square plus 2. This is extra, so I am cancelling with this. Therefore here to here become what? X plus half the whole square plus 2 minus 1 by 4. Okay, here this is x plus 1 by 2 the whole square plus this is what? 4 to the 8. 8 minus 1 is 7. 7 by 4. 7 by 4 is same as root 7 by 2 the whole square. Okay, therefore instead of this what I can write is dx upon square root of x plus half the whole square plus root of 7 by 2 the whole square is equals to half. So e raised to minus half plus 1 is what? U raised to half upon 1 by 2 minus. Now let's apply this formula. Okay, so we'll have log of x. X is what? X plus 1 by 2 plus whole this. Okay, whole this is what? Square root of x plus half whole square plus root 7 by 2 the whole square plus c. Now let's bring over here is equals to half. What is u? U is this. U is what? X square plus x plus 2 raised to 1 by 2 upon here 2, here 1 by 2. So I will bring over here, say 1 by 2, let's write for time being, or you can say here either 2 into minus. So I am sending inside, so 2 gets cancelled. So here this 1 by 2 and 2 gets cancelled. Here I'll have half. Okay, here we don't have anything. Half of log of here x plus half plus square root of x plus half whole square plus square root of 7 by 2 whole square plus c. This equals to. Now compare with this equation, okay. Now here this we have. Here we have. Now here a become what? This is function, okay. Here this is, you can say this is what? This is fx, okay. Here this is also gx and constant is here, okay. So therefore a equals to 1, b equals to minus half, and c is as it is. Therefore a plus 2b equals to what? Is 1, 1 plus 2 into minus half is what? 2 gets cancelled. A plus 2b equals to 0, okay.